There's a youth in this city, it were a great pity that he frae her lassies should wander awa', for he's bonny and braw, weel favoured way on, and his hair is a natural buckle and all. His coat is the yew, his bonnet's a blue, his faggot is white as the new driven snow. His hose they are blue, and his shoon like the sleigh, and his clear silver buckles they dazzle us all. For beauty and fortune the laddie's been courtin', weel featured, weel tuckered, weel mounted and braw, but chiefly the siller that gars him gang to learn. The penny's the jewel that beautifies all. There's Meg wi' the maiden that fain would I him, and Susie way's daddy was laird o' the hall. There's long-tuckered Nancy, maist fetters his fancy, but the laddie's dear sell he lose dearest o' all. The bonniest lad that e'er I saw, bonny laddie, Hieland laddie, what a plate was for bro, bonny Hieland laddie. On his heat and bonnet blue, bonny laddie, Hieland laddie, his royal head was firm and true, bonny Hieland laddie. Trumpet, stoon and cannons roar, bonny lassie, Lowland lassie, and all the hells way echoes roar, bonny Lowland lassie. Glory on her now and fine, bonny lassie, Hieland lassie, for freedom and my king take fight, bonny Lowland lassie. The son of backward course shall tak, bonny laddie, Hieland laddie, up thy manly courage shack, bonny Hieland laddie. Go for yourself, pick your renown, bonny laddie, Hieland laddie, and for your lawful king his crown, bonny Hieland laddie.